Okay, all right. So now we will continue from the previous question. In the previous question, we found z minus 3i z star in terms of x and y. The real part, x minus 3y. Imaginary part, I times y minus 3x. Now in this part, part D, we have to solve the equation z minus 3i z star equal to 16. Correct? We have to solve the equation z minus 3i z star equal to 16. And z is x plus iy. We've seen this. Z is x plus iy. Correct? So we have to solve this equation. Z is equal to z equal to x plus iy. So essentially we have to find the values of x and y. To find the value of z, we need to know the values of x and y. Correct? To find the value of z, we need to know the value of x and y, or x plus iy. So we have to find x and y such that z minus 3i z star equals 16. So let's write it down. X minus 3y, x minus 3y, z minus z star is 16. I think I'll write here. Therefore, x z minus 3i z star. Z minus 3i z star is x minus 3y plus I times y minus 3x equals 16. Correct? Now we need to find the values of x and y. Okay, so x. Now this means, now if you see the left hand side and the right hand side, now I can write the right hand side differently. I can say my right hand side is, I can say my right hand side, my equation x minus 3y plus yi into y minus 3x equals 16 plus I times 0. Right, because there is no imaginary part here. In the right hand side, we do not have an imaginary part. So I am saying right hand side 16 is equal to 16 plus I times 0. Okay, and now we will equate the real part and the imaginary part. So we say the real parts have to be equal. So x minus 3y should be equal to 16. And I times y minus 3x should be equal to I times 0. Is that right? For these two, for the left hand side and the right hand side to be equal, the real parts should be equal and the imaginary parts should also be equal. That's what we mean when we say, two numbers are equal or two complex numbers are equal. So the real parts and the imaginary parts are equal. Okay? So, real part x minus 3y equals 16. Okay? And y minus 3x equals 0. Y minus 3x equals 0. The y minus 3x equals 0. This means y equals 3x. Now I will substitute y equal to 3x in this equation. Okay, in equation x minus 3y equals 16, I will put y equal to 3x, which I have obtained from here. So x minus 3 times y, now y is 3x, equals 16. This means x minus 9x equals 16. Okay, so this means, I think I'll write here, x minus 9x is minus 8x. So minus 8x equals 16, or x equals 16 over minus 8, negative 8, which is negative 2. So my x is negative 2, right? I got x equal to negative 2. Now if x is negative 2, y is 3x. So y will be 3 times x, which is 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. So my x is negative 2 and y is negative 6. So my root of this equation, z minus 3i z star equals 16. My root is z equals x plus iy, correct? My root is x plus iy, z equal to x plus iy. That's my root, no? So x is minus 2 and y is minus 6. Let me write it down here. The root is x plus iy. So root is x equal to minus 2 minus 6i. Okay? So my root of the equation z minus 3i z star equal to 16 is z equal to negative 2 minus 6i. Okay? Thank you.